The thing that was most fascinating to me about Baxter is how had he lived in the place that had crushed me, in a place that it can be tough to be convinced in the goodness of God. How could he live there where I couldn't navigate it and grow so confident in the affection of God, grow so sure that there is no shadow of turning? I couldn't imagine the rejection he must have felt. And so we had him on the podcast. It was just minutes in and I was pretty much at tears. I was blown away by who he is, by what he carries, by how faithful he's been banging the tambourine, by the 2 weeks ahead that he's been living for so long to contend for this good news. And so I wanted to open up chapter 1 by highlighting Baxter, but also by noting that a lot of the conversations I have are with people who are 2 weeks in the tambourine ahead. And it's not, by the way, a measurement of performance, because that's not the game we're playing. It's an awakening to the goodness of God in a stubborn way where you will not be moved. And men and women have said, he's better than I thought he was. And I will not be moved from his goodness, regardless of what I'm told or the people around me who may be offended. And the goodness of God is offensive. It really is. And it's a good idea to be willing to be offended by his goodness. And so the tambourine in 2 weeks ahead phrase is one I've adopted. It's one that I apply to a whole lot of the guests in the coming chapters, those who have been convinced that God is good and only good as Jesus revealed